pull them potatoes.
They're not quite ready. I pulled some the other day. I pulled this vine. See, guys? Daddy, that goes down 4 foot.
No, how deep did you go down underneath the bush?
I only went about a shovel full. Should I go deeper?
Yeah, because I have dug down that deep under mine and found potatoes.
Oh, I bet that's 4 foot deep.
Well, they don't tell you how deep did you plant your potatoes when you planted them?
I went down about 2 inches and put the slips.
Should have been about 6. That way they'll start.
They go under the roots.
Oh, I didn't know that.
That's okay.
So when should I pull them? Because some are not ready.
Well, I'd pick the ones that wilted down, especially the ones where the bugs are getting on them.
Okay.
I'd get them out of there.
Okay, so go ahead and pull those out.
Yeah,
and
that would give your healthy plants more room to go. That's a lot of potatoes.
Yeah, it is. It's a huge amount of potatoes.
Out of my little patch, I got like 7 pounds.
Yeah, I'm hoping to pull about 300 pounds of potatoes from that.
I don't know how many, but there's a bunch of them there.
Yeah, so this is the remainder of my winter garden, Daddy, like my winter vegetables. Kale and, different types of kales and collard greens are here. And then, of course, the chickens are cleaning out this last area for me. They're going to go to their coop soon.